Good evening and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff, where we are going to become plague doctors. That is a little bit sci-fi for the modern age. So let's get going, shall we? So, what you need is oil, some foams, book spines, and other things. So, this is the pattern here that is taken from Much Props Plague Doctor. I will leave a link to that. But I have extended the nose here, or the beak, because that was just going straight down. Basically, I wanted to go more out like the original Doctor helmets did, or masks or whatever. But anyways, you see I put all the pattern parts together here, and there's a little bit tricky here with the bending beak here, so you have to start from the top there and then slowly glue your way together. I'm using a glue gun here instead of contact glue because I didn't have that. Anyways, you see it looks like this, and then you have to glue them together in the middle there. And now we're gonna put an inside part here of the beak. You see, like that. Now you see it kind of fits well over the head, and the beak looks very good indeed. So now I'm gonna have to put these jars here, plastic jars here, and push them into the eyes there. So I made 3 of these, so some of them are filmed a little bit differently, so they look different from now on because I have to do some modifications. But anyway, so I'm painting this black here, so it will be easier to put all the finishing things on. You can paint everything later also, but I thought this would be a good way to the rest of them are already black detail things here. But now we have the little glass part here, and now I have this mug lid here with some greebly parts on, just to make some interesting details sticking out from the side vents things. So you see I'm painting it black off screen here, and now doing a little bit of a dry brushing of metal here, so they will look a little bit more interesting. So now we have these parts here, which I don't know what they are, and in front there's just gonna 2 cables here through the book binding spines here. Just push them in so they looks like they're connecting in some cool way. So now you see I've done some rust parts here of the parts that doesn't look really even, but you're just gonna dry brush that in some way so they pop out a little bit in the darkness, because Halloween is full of darkness. So anyway, there we go. And now I forgot to film that I made the head straps and also put in the lids here, but I am on a very much time constraint to do this in time. So you see there will be a few more videos this week before Halloween here, so I hope you like this. I hope you all find this very informative in the making of a plague doctor. Thank you for watching.